I'm Joanny Payero with Lenovo. We're here at ISC in Amsterdam. Nice and cold and rainy for you. I'm leading our marketing efforts for our OEM business, and one of the things I'm going to share with you today is our solution with Ricoh and Reactiv SUITE. I do want to point out that this is a very unique solution. It provides a unique conferencing collaborative environment, and the Reactiv SUITE software is pretty awesome. I can't wait to show you. So one of the great things about OEM is that we're bringing solutions to help solve for the market's pain points, but also to help transform from a technology perspective. And bringing the best partnerships together, like the Reactiv SUITE solution that's powered on this Ricoh device, is also powered by our Lenovo ThinkStation P330 Tiny. So all of this power, what it does is, it provides the best user experience for collaborative conferencing solutions. I can work on multiple files, I can make edits and changes, task different teams, and also with smart connectivity, I can connect from one platform to the screen and back and forth with easy mobility. So that is one of the key features of the Reactiv software. So our customers here at ISC, they've been very interested in this solution. One of the great things that we're hearing as feedback is it's so easy to use. They can just touch the screen and they get it. They understand how to move things. They understand where to make edits. They can scribble. They can use the eraser and the pen. And now it's an easy process for them to activate and understand the conferencing platform. So that's one of the biggest things we've heard is very simple to use, great user experience, and very reactive in terms of how fast it's taking the changes.